My dear students, good morning. Myself Dr. Jyoti Lahoti from Srimati LRT College of Commerce, Akola. Students, today we are discussing on the topic that is internet marketing. This topic is from e-commerce subject, semester 6. So students, in this topic I include definition of internet marketing, types of internet marketing, strategies of internet marketing, advantages and disadvantages of internet marketing, and also I include challenges of internet marketing and overcoming on that challenges. So first of all students, we see the definition of internet marketing. So internet marketing means it is refers to advertising and marketing efforts that use the web and email to drive direct sales via electronic commerce in addition to sales leads from websites or emails. So what do you mean by internet marketing? Internet marketing, that is also called online marketing, digital marketing, is the process of promoting a business or brand and its products or services over the internet using tools that help drive traffic leads and sales. So there are so many channels which can use the marketer for the internet marketing. Some of them are affiliated marketing, SEO. This channel is very famous nowadays and it is very popular. Then third is blog. You know, blog, many students, many teachers and many businessmen use these channels, that is blog. Then banner, social network, forum, email, analytics. These are various channels to do internet marketing. A businessman can use 3 or 4 channels for his online marketing, or he can use 2 or 3 or all these channels. So it is the channels of internet marketing. Now the students, we see the strategies of internet marketing. You should do strategies if you want to success in your business. So first strategy is design a user friendly website. It is necessary. You should design a website. Then second is optimize your site for search engines. Then third, use email marketing or opt in email campaigns. Fourth one is write online press releases. So internet marketing strategies next is create a blog, and last develop social media contacts and campaigns. So these are the steps and these are the strategies you should use when you do the online marketing. Now students, we see the types of internet marketing. There are many types of internet marketing, but we are see the 7 main points or main types of internet marketing. So first type of internet marketing, that is social media marketing. Second, influencer marketing, affiliated marketing, email marketing, content marketing. Next, search engine optimization, that is also called SEO. And the last is paid advertising. Students, if you want more information for these types of internet marketing, you should go on the link, that is http://types digital marketing. On this link, you get more information about the types of internet marketing. Then why is online marketing important? So students, now we see the importance of internet marketing today's world. So first important is it aligns with the way consumers make purchasing decisions. Next, internet marketing enables you to build relations with your customers and prospects through regular, low-cost personalized communication, reflecting the move away from mass marketing. And also the importance of internet marketing is not just because it helps you to get found online, but also because it can change the way your business is pursued by potential customers. For example, ranking high in search engine research pages along with respected industry authorities instantly boost your business credibility. So students, how we do internet marketing? I already told you that there are strategies for internet marketing. You should apply the strategies. Now the step which you use for the internet marketing. The first is conduct market research. Market research is a key part of developing your market strategy. Then profile your target markets. It is necessary step when you do marketing. The third one is identify your unique selling proposition. Yes student, that is called USP, and so you should identify your unique selling propositions. Next, develop your business brand. You know, brand is a goodwill of your business. So you should develop your brand. Then choose your marketing avenues. That is very important to choose your avenues for the marketing. Next, set your goals and budgets. Then nurture your loyal customers. To find out your loyal customers is also a very important step in the internet marketing. And then monitor and review your marketing. There are so many advantages of internet or digital marketing. So first advantage, that is low cost of advertising and sales. Then less resources and manpower needed. Then third is goal reach. You can reach globally because of the use of the digital marketing. Then convenience and easy of business. It is very easy to do business on online. Then low operational cost and result tracking. You can tracking of your result for the internet marketing. Now we go on the disadvantages of online marketing. So there are the disadvantages of internet marketing is that dependability on technology. You know all technology and also update yourself for the new technology. It is necessary when you do the online marketing. Then security, privacy issues are very important in the online marketing because there are so many hackers in the cyberspace. So you save yourself from that cyber hackers. Then next is maintenance cost due to a constantly evolving environment. The next, higher transparency of pricing and increased price competition. You know, there is cutthroat competition in the market and the price is very important factor for demand of your goods or services. And in the internet market, you put the transparency in the pricing. So it is very drawback of the internet marketing. And the last is worldwide competition through globalization. Because of the internet, this world is become like a small village and the competition is very vast. So cutthroat, you have to face the cutthroat competition because when you use the online marketing, because this globe is your competitors. There are so many competitors at the globe for your market, for your business. Now which challenges we face by marketers? So there are so many challenges, but the important challenges I will show you. I will dictate from you. So first is generating traffic. Solid lead generation is pivotal to inbound marketing success. Then second is information overload. The popularity of inbound marketing means that there is a lot of information already out there in many industries. And I already explained that tools and technology, these are the big challenges before the marketers when they do online marketing. Then the next is overwhelming data. Its storage and categorization, it is very difficult task. And students, next challenge, that is securing enough resources. Resources problem is faced by the marketers when they do the online marketing. So there is a remedies or overcome marketing challenges that we will see now. So here are some tips to prevent your business from obstacles. First is focus on a specific modes. Yes, there are several ways to endorse your business, namely SEO, social media, content marketing, and as well as mobile marketing. Then next is think out of the box. Don't copy the other merchant. You think out of the box. At that time you will success. You get success in the market. Next is customer satisfaction. Students, I explained you. I told you that customer satisfaction is very necessary when you want to outcome or when you want to success in your business. So customer satisfaction is needed. Then financing your business, that is the soul. Finance is the soul of any business. Everybody knows. Then time management, yeah, where time management is necessary. If you do online business, at that time you should first make time management, and then making a strong feedback system. You take the feedback from your customers. At that time you know your drawbacks, you know your success, you know all things of your business, and then you overcome on that your drawbacks or your any other problems. So thank you very much. In the next lecture I will explain in front of you the internet branding.